Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a small bakery early in the morning. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a new bakery worker and the bakery owner. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do croissants have so many flaky layers? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Milo, right? Welcome to Sunrise Bakery.
Yes, that's me. Thank you for giving me this job, Claire.
It's 3:30 in the morning. Are you awake?
I think so. My coffee is helping a lot.
Good. You will need it today. Come inside.
It's so dark and quiet in here.
Yes, but it will not stay quiet for long. We have a lot of work before we open.
Why do we start so early? The bakery opens at 7.
People want warm bread when we open the door. The dough needs many hours to rise before that.
Oh, I understand. The bread needs time to grow bigger.
Exactly. If we start at 6, the bread will not be ready.
That makes sense now. What do we make first?
First, we make the croissants, then bread, then muffins.
I love croissants. They're so light and flaky, full of thin layers.
Do you know why croissants have so many flaky layers?
No. I never thought about that before.
I will show you soon. It's a fun little secret.
Now I am very curious about it.
Good. Curious bakers make good bakers, Milo. Let's wash our hands and start.
Okay, where is the flour kept?
In the big white bags next to the ovens.
Got it. This kitchen is bigger than I thought.
It looks small, but every corner has a job. You will learn fast.
I hope so. I really want to do well here.
You will be fine, Milo. Everyone feels nervous on their first day.
Even you? Were you nervous too?
Especially me. My hands were shaking during my first bake.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. Now, let's turn on the ovens and get to work.
I'm ready. Let's start our first morning.
Nice work already. Follow me to the work table.
Wait, do I need an apron first?
Yes, good question. Take one from that hook near the door.
This one? It's a little big for me.
Don't worry, it will still work fine.
What do I wear on my head?
A hat like mine. Hair cannot fall into the bread.
That makes sense. Safety first, right?
That's right. A clean kitchen makes safe food and happy customers.
I'm ready now. My apron, my hat, everything is on.
Perfect. You look like a real baker already, Milo. Now, look at this dough. This is for our croissants.
It looks like a flat, cold square.
Yes, and inside there is a big piece of cold butter.
A whole piece of butter inside the dough?
Yes. Now watch closely. I fold the dough over the butter, like this.
Wow, that's neat. You fold it in half?
In half, then I roll it flat again. Then I fold it again.
Why do you fold it so many times?
Remember your question about the flaky layers?
Yes. Is this the secret you promised?
This is the secret. We fold this dough again and again. That's why croissants get so many flaky layers.
Wait, How many layers does one croissant have?
About 27 layers after all the folds.
27? That's so many layers for one croissant.
Each layer is very thin, thinner than paper.
And the butter sits between every single layer?
Yes, when we bake it, the butter melts and makes steam. The steam pushes the layers apart.
So that's why croissants are so light and flaky.
Exactly right. You understand it now, Milo.
This is so interesting. I never knew baking was like science.
Baking is science and art together. Now try folding this one yourself.
Me? Okay, I will try my best.
Careful, keep the butter cold. Warm butter will not work well here.
Like this? Is this fold okay?
Almost right. Fold it a little more to the left, please.
How is that? Better now?
Well done. See, you are already learning fast, Milo.
Thank you, Claire. This is really fun work.
Wait until you taste your first warm croissant. That is the best part.
I can't wait for that moment. Do you make other baked treats, like pastries, with this same dough?
Yes, we make pain au chocolat too, a kind of chocolate pastry. It's the same dough with chocolate inside.
Oh, I love chocolate pastries. How do you add the chocolate?
I put a small piece of chocolate on the dough, then roll it up.
That sounds easy. Can I try that one too?
Sure, after you finish this tray of croissants.
How many croissants are we making today?
About 60 croissants, plus 30 pain au chocolat.
Wow, that is a lot for one small bakery.
Now it's time to bake the bread. Come to the oven room.
It's so warm in here already.
Yes, the ovens stay hot all morning. Watch what I do before the bread goes in.
You are putting water into that little box?
Yes, this water makes steam inside the oven.
Why do you need steam for the bread?
The steam makes the crust crispy and shiny. It also becomes a little hard and crunchy.
What exactly is the crust?
The crust is the outside part of the bread, the hard part.
Oh, I understand now. Without steam, is the crust different?
Without steam, the crust becomes thick and dry, not nice at all.
So the steam makes everything better.
Much better. The bread will look shiny, like it has a little shine on top.
That sounds really beautiful.
It is. Our customers love bread with a nice, crispy crust.
Can I put the water in this time?
Sure, but please be careful. The oven is very hot right now.
Okay, I will be careful. Like this?
Yes, just a little water, right there in the tray.
All done. Now what do we do?
Now we put the bread inside and close the door quickly.
How long does the bread bake for?
About 30 minutes for this size of loaf.
And then we just wait?
We wait, but we also work on other things. A baker never really stops moving.
I am starting to understand that already.
Good. Let's go check on the croissants now.
They smell amazing from over here.
That smell means they are almost ready. Come, let's take a look together.
They look golden brown and so shiny.
The egg on top made them shiny. We brush a little egg on the dough before it bakes.
Can we take them out now?
Yes, use these thick gloves. The tray is very hot.
Got it. Like this?
Nice work. Set the tray on that cooling rack over there.
How long do we let them cool?
About 10 minutes. They are already fully baked. We just let them cool so they are not too hot to eat.
I really want to try one right now.
After 10 minutes, you can have the first taste.
I'll wait, but it's hard.
Patience is a big part of baking, Milo. You'll learn that soon.
Hello? Someone is knocking at the back door.
Hi there. I have a delivery for Sunrise Bakery.
Oh, hi. I'm Milo. I just started here today.
Nice to meet you, Milo. I'm Priya. I bring flour here every week.
Wow, that's a lot of bags in your truck.
Yes, 10 bags today. Where do you want them?
I think next to the ovens is best. Let me help you carry them.
Thank you so much. Careful, they are quite heavy.
Okay. Wait, these bags say bread flour. Is that different from normal flour?
Yes, it is different. Bread flour has more protein than regular flour.
More protein? I did not know flour had protein in it.
A little bit, yes. The protein and water together make something called gluten. Gluten makes the dough strong.
Gluten helps the bread rise, right?
That's right. Gluten holds the air bubbles inside the dough so the bread can rise well and feel chewy.
That's so interesting. So all-purpose flour has less protein.
Yes, less protein than bread flour. You can still bake bread with all-purpose flour, but bread flour helps the bread rise better and feel more chewy.
I am learning so much on my first day.
Your first day, right? I could tell right away.
Is it really that easy to see?
You are very careful with these bags. New workers are always so careful.
I don't want to make any mistakes here.
Don't worry, Milo. Claire is a great teacher. You will learn fast.
I really hope so. Thank you for the flour lesson today.
You're welcome. I will see you again next week, Milo.
See you next week, Priya. Drive safe out there.
I will. Have a wonderful first day at work.
Frank, you are here early again, as always.
Good morning, Claire. I always come early for the best bread.
The bread isn't even in the case yet, Frank.
I know, but I like to wait outside. It smells wonderful in here.
Thank you. We have fresh croissants today and warm sourdough bread, a kind of bread with a little sour taste.
Perfect. I will take 1 croissant and 1 loaf of sourdough.
I will get that now. That will be $6.50.
Here you go, Claire. Oh, do you still have any day-old bread?
Yes, we have some left from yesterday. Do you want that too?
Yes, please. I like to toast the day-old bread for breakfast at home.
That's a great idea. It still tastes good the next day.
And it's cheaper, so I can buy 2 loaves for the same price as 1.
That's very smart. We sell day-old bread for half price.
It's good for the planet, too. Less bread goes into the trash.
Exactly right. We really hate wasting good food here.
How is the new worker doing today? I saw a new face inside.
Milo, he started today, and he is doing very well.
Good to hear that. This bakery needs more young bakers.
I agree completely. He asks a lot of questions, which I really like.
Questions are good, Claire. That's how young people learn best.
Here is your fresh bread, Frank, and 2 day-old loaves for you.
Thank you very much, Claire. Same time again tomorrow?
Same time tomorrow morning. Have a great day, Frank.
You too. Please say hello to Milo for me.
I will tell him now. Enjoy your bread and coffee today.
Oh, one more thing. How much are the muffins today?
The muffins are $2 each, or 3 for $5.
I'll take 3, please. Blueberry if you have them.
We have blueberry and banana today. Blueberry it is.
Perfect. My grandchildren love your blueberry muffins.
That's so nice to hear. Here are your 3 muffins.
Thank you, Claire. This bakery is the best part of my morning.
That means a lot to me, Frank. Thank you for saying that.
Well, I should let you keep working now. Good luck today.
Thank you, Frank. See you again tomorrow morning. Milo, look at the case. Everything looks so nice today.
We did it. Everything is ready.
You did great today, Milo. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, Claire. I learned so much this morning.
Before the customers come rushing in, let me ask you something.
Okay, sure. What is it?
Why do croissants have so many flaky layers?
I remember this question from before.
Go ahead then, tell me the answer.
Bakers fold butter into the dough many times. That makes many thin layers.
Go on, what happens when we bake it?
When we bake it, the butter melts and makes steam. The steam pushes the layers apart so the croissant becomes flaky.
Perfect answer, Milo. You really understood the whole idea.
I will never forget it now. About 27 layers, right?
About 27 layers, yes. You remembered the number too.
This whole morning was amazing. I was so nervous at 3:30.
And now look at you, a real baker already.
Well, maybe a new baker.
Everyone starts somewhere, Milo. You did really well today.
Can I come back again tomorrow morning?
Of course you can. 3:30 in the morning. Don't be late.
I will bring some extra coffee this time.
Good idea. Oh, look, more customers are coming in now.
I'm ready for them. Let's welcome them together.
Nice job, Milo. Welcome to Sunrise Bakery.
Welcome, everyone. Come and try our fresh croissants.
We make a good team already, don't we?
We really do. I'm so happy I took this job.
Milo, can you help this next customer with the muffins?
Of course. Good morning. We have fresh croissants, sourdough bread, and blueberry muffins. Here you go, 3 muffins for you.
You are already good at this, Milo.
I almost dropped one, but I caught it in time.
This is my favorite part. All the happy customers.
I can't believe this is only my first day.
You are already part of the Sunrise Bakery family, Milo.
I'm so glad I took this job. Let's keep going.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do croissants have so many flaky layers? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.